Nothing will go on record. Sri Ayodhya Rami Reddy Allah. Sri Ayodhya Rami Reddy Allah.
Thank you, Sabhapati ji. Air pollution has escalated into one of India's most pressing public health emergencies. Nearly 1 in every 7 residents in Delhi faces the risk of premature death due to air pollution. With over 17,000 deaths in last year directly attributed to deteriorating air quality. The capital's air quality index frequently remains in the severe category, driven by vehicular emissions, biomass burnings, and also construction dust that is coming around. Sir, a similar crisis is unfolding in Visakhapatnam, where PM10 levels have increased by 32.9% over the past 7 years. Despite the allocation of 129.4 crore rupees under the National Clean Air Program for Andhra Pradesh, only 39.6 crore has been utilized, exposing serious lapses in monitoring, interdepartmental coordination and local enforcement. Sir, unchecked air pollution is now not only an environmental challenge, but a national health and economic threat. Sir, I have to tell you that India, due to air pollution, is costing, it is costing more than 3% of its GDP every year. There is also major losses from higher healthcare costs, lost productivity, worker absenteeism, and damage to the long-term health of population. It is a direct and ongoing drag on India's economic growth. Sir, I should tell how the other major economies have handled this issue. We have to bring in a social and political will which declares a war on pollution. This meant a great deal of policy creation, enforcement around emission standards, ensuring control on power plants, air quality monitorings, and investing in clean energy sources. More than specific policy or funding commitments, the key was how this can become a national, political, and social priority. Sir, one thing is most important, we need to create the data. With the right data in place, we can certainly ensure the people in place are aware of this data, and with the data, the real-time governance can happen. With this, we can control the pollution. Thank you. Thank you.
Srimati Mamta Mohanta. Srimati Mamta Mohanta.